A very common scenario is to have servers in your organization that are not connected to the internet. If I'm running a power plant, I don't want my servers that run the power plant to be connected to the internet because I don't want to expose them to viruses and hacking and so forth. But we typically administer servers using PowerShell. So how do I get those help files to that server? That's what we're going to take on in this section. The save help command we can use on another computer, one that is connected to the internet, save it to, say, a flash drive, and then take that flash drive and use it in the server to update the help files. Now, one thing to note is that the save help command does not get the help files from the computer that you're saving it on. It actually goes out to the internet and gets them. So you're going to get the same errors that you might have gotten when you did an update help. If there are some files, for example, or some modules, I should say, that do not have help files available for them during that download. So in this case, I'm going to do the save help command on a flash drive that I have in my system called J. This D is just an example. So let's open our Windows PowerShell, and I will do save help J. Now this is an empty flash drive. If I wanted to put this on a folder on the flash drive, that folder would have to already exist, and then I would put that folder in here so that it would save to that folder. But in this case, it's just a blank flash drive. So I'll go ahead and hit the enter button, and in a moment it's going to begin to download the help folders, the help files from the internet, and save them onto my flash drive. We'll pause for a moment while this completes. Okay, it has completed, and you see we get the same errors that we got when we did the update help, again because it actually went out to the internet to get them, and there were some modules that there were no help files available for at the place that this thing goes to get help files. Alright, so now we should have it on our flash drive, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my File Explorer here, and I'm going to go down to my J drive, and let's take a look. And sure enough, here they are. There's all my help files. They come in XMLs and CABs. And now I'm ready to take this over to the server and update help. We're going to use something called source path. This is a parameter. Anytime you see this dash like that, that's a parameter, which says to the update help command that I want to use a different source other than the internet, and then I will give it the argument to say what that source is. So we'll simply go back here and we'll do update help, and source. Now let's say I don't quite remember how this thing completes, so I'm going to just hit the tab key and it will complete it for me. Source path, and then J and colon, and now it will start updating those help files from the flash drive. It did it. It's done. We have those same modules that's showing up again, which is again is not unusual. So this is normal, and it did update them from the J drive.